took coffee this night. I know that some people will be wondering this one. I'm doing live video early in the morning from Niger for the first time. Yeah, I guess this is the first time I'm ever doing live video in the morning. And here I'm gonna buy now. I will be 7:33 or 7:30 if I'm not mistaken. Igbo channels, I'm right, Abi. Here I'm gonna buy now. I will be 7:30 a.m. Meanwhile, here in Canada, or Albany, you know. Say walk or hide you, neburego. Now, I don't mean neburego that way. Now say walk or hide you. Mechum putuna sino bodo shirike. Once you are joining me, you share this video. You know, these days we are kind of okay, yeah, I'm correct. 7:34. Okay. So you know, say these days we are kind of busy to follow up all these Facebook social media activities like before. But I am on Facebook when I follow ihe Ken na ndị otu ya na-emesasị na eme arrest. You know, a kind of video and post. Ejikwe eme arrest, arrest. This one, that one. Also, I also saw video Utobo a na-akpọ Jpac. Ka ọ na-asị na ndị ụka jikwa eme ya, ndị ụka ji eme ya. First thing first, na Jpac ikwesịghị imere onwe gị ebere. All the like nzuzu gị a amaghị m ma in fact aga agwọtazi agwọta in this life, you know. Sometimes I want to start from Jpac. Sometimes when I see Jpac always saying Ndioka, who is Ndioka? Onye wu Ndioka? Is it the way Oji ego obi, or should I say fan base in the omenana? Ka ojo so his normal Iberibe, according to former governor of Imo State, Iberibeism, Rocha Sokolocha. But that is by the way, we will talk about that later. You see that video about Ken, as far as I'm concerned, na better arrange video. Imana, amam kande buy na dine series in here sometimes. Oge mbo eche kwem na ndị Igbo buy the smart, na ndị Igbo buy wo the most intelligent people in Nigeria. Mana n'ikpeazụ akante ka nna afuta na ndị Igbo buy wo no to. So now, many people watch it at that video Ken post to. With other people, I mean not Ken, people are reposting and posting that name Ken or arrest. Some people, like many of you, actually believe that that video is real. Like, I'm not getting. Like, sometimes when I'm not watching me on social media, go for the neighboring the buyer. Like, only a typical Niger, a typical Igbo, ga watch that video and make us say, Ejikwe may arrest. Utobo and Apo Jpac, Maptana, say on Dioka, this one, that une believe where. So now, let me start by side the angle of police. So right now, unu believe una a whole Nigerian police ya be mad arrest or not drag only actually him arrest somebody and a video her. Like somebody was busy filming a police officers or police officers that came to whisk somebody away. And in the police, in the Niger police, Hana took camera. This thing shouldn't be funny. In the police, buy mana Hana took camera. Kaya sina ndoha no n'ime camera. And some of you actually believe that na Nigerian police be made arrest. And a video ha onwe ya ha kwuru ha na drag onye ahụ na aga na moto ihu ha egosi onye na video onye na-eme the video ni egosi ihu the police ka afọ ndị bịara ije. Like the person filming was very relaxed and calm, capturing everything. They didn't ask him to stop, him or her, I don't know. They didn't try to even tap your phone naka. Like, on the police by CMA now. Then again, the same police. Noro, Awaruki Tini Memoto. The same police officer, Noru, say Aka Ken with handcuff. Very clear. Wait. Let me be showing all these things on my second phone. God, they can cook too much. Matter of fact, I called many people regarding all these things because my kind of person, I do me amazing me a baby blogger, you know, and they are those people who desperate to post or liking all this amateur blogging on Facebook. Before I come into anything, I always analyze. After analyzing, I make call. After call, I use my common sense. So you guys are trying to tell me that the Nigeria police Ghana onye ha mere arrest ebata n'ime moto say onye ahụ like this. The Nigerian police Ghana onye ha mere arrest ebata n'ime moto like say the picture like this, very clear. So you guys are also trying to tell me that the Nigerian police in Ghana, only hangu hatchori Jpac, he said the person like this, like very relaxed. Some people are kind of trying to make oru nufrona. I don't even know why I'm laughing, God. All of them had to read you a package Ken with India. Like, had to read a package your Kama Mayeri Brando Saga career, or should I say his presence on social media once again. After Kosina, Unonga Wepota. Jpac and Andutia. He had no in a boutique confusion problem among Igbos on social media. Ozugbo ọma chapter sige ndị ụka ọ bụrụkwa na nke a mere ọma na ndị ụka ji dị like this, ndị ụka ji mee nka, ndị ụka emehọ nka otu ya ndị ụka because imekwu ha na ndị ụka ahụ brain many of you aga somewhere jetuo ụfọdụ aka. Okay, let's even say na truly. Let's just assume na truly na onye meru kezi for this guy can arrest. Ka Jpac si we man onye mere arrest ha bụ onye ụka. Because when you even talk about Ken Palace of Justice, his activities on social media, he dragged and humiliated a lot of people in the past. Oh man, kagwa ndị Ken drag, all drag mu oke ma ngwere ma mmụọ ma mmadụ like onye ukwu na onye nta na akpọ ya content. Let's just say that somebody somewhere, let's just assume that somebody somewhere may Ken arrest. Ka Jpac utobo akpa muefi ka o si mara na onye ụka made that arrest. You know? Because oge erugo oge o ihe unnecessary ọgụ a unnecessary problem a anyị nwa ndị Igbo na-enwe on social media, especially this Facebook. Kama ka esi a stop ya. Face the other important thing. I kwesịrị face na buy because a lot. I'm free to say that when you talk about the three major tribes I nwere na Naija, ani Igbo baby ihe ka agbaghara. Ndị ugwu na ya bụ ndị Boko na ndị bandistin. At least or the ozi too much ka then. Ono ka go among the three major tribes in Nigeria ba Igbo ani Igbo ka ezigbo gbese no n'isi. Many groups ana amade ni terrorize ndị bai. Ihe na go ofuma. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu, how many years gone on Ambolo? We are facing a lot of things. Ndị nke si ebe a match after have their problem ti ndị nke na-eme their own activities on Facebook, on social media. Ha na-eburukwu nke ha na-eti ndị nke omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu Jesus Christ ebuga Jesus Christ ebuga. Ha na-eti nke ha. Onwe ezoye ma ihe a na-efesi na ala Igbo. Ejuo ha sị gị nọsọ a prank na saga bụ ihe ha na-aga ahịa on Facebook. All here people na like, all ha ga watch. Meanwhile, those people na sị no here people na watch, all ha na like, all ya ga afia. Ị ga na afụkwa ha on some pages of the real content creators from Lagos, Benin and West in general. Na comment kwa na like kwa their videos na na-enyekwa engagement. Manodo side nke anyị nwa bụ akpọrọ ya Southeast. Ọhụrụ like unnecessary things and cause are social media war, social media fight unnecessary. As far as I'm concerned, onwe make an arrest. As far as more the concern, nobody took that guy. Oh, I'm whatever Hana Pitoko there. And it's high time, especially October and about Jpac. It's high time. You know how you are doing your thing on this social media space. Oh, you can't make this here like this. Or buze like or this here ka brunya hono. You know, I just came online. I saw many things. I was like, what's going on? How? Because it's not even making any sense to me. And for you to come out and put the direction straight, you switch here, Yosubo, T and Dioka. Then, ndị esi na ha na-atọ ji na kaika ye buruzi ya na-agbakwa wo ndị nke ajime nke ndị nke eme ho nka. Diogo na-eme ka ama all this unnecessary social media fight a na-eme ka ama aya hotel ya na awi ya ọkụ awe na awi crazy na awi fu na adi onem. It's not making any sense. You know, ọkụ ihe ka nji a support Ogechi ka o si adọ Jpac na akpa amụ ka ọ dọbie ya akpa amụ. Ọkụ ya menja support ya. You know? Ọkwa the same Jpac jekwuru n'ukwu isi si ụmụ agbara kubucha ndị niile na-ebo ya ebubo na-akpọ ya afa dị agha within 4 days on social media. Jee n'ụmụ ọkpọ ntu. Hey, I don't even know why I'm laughing. Ọkwa the same Jpac jee n'ụmụ ọkpọ ntu. Jee na-ayọ oisi ụmụ agbara. Koko jiri 4 days kubucha onye ọbụla n'ebo ebubo online na that's I go down and say ndị uke nwe forgiveness. Then oxygen you can forgive enjoy on your anyways. I am Kahasi Osi Birina. You know? So what am I trying to say? One is that the Onyona make arrest. Because so no Kurundio Kana, we're going to do many of you now to we're going to do many of you now. And I know that a lot of you are waiting for me to drop update. One mother or say no Jibune Zoku Moasi. As far as more the concern, all those things were staged. Unnecessary attention can seek on social media. Manam besinisi also gada. Obo na yanwa weekend ni ihe ojecha na nga na Senegal mecha Chineke mere ebere obata ochobe ima ihe oka na eburu onwe ya na-eti okwa the same ihe gbasa prank ya be eburukweri ya tukpo na ngara Senegal no almost 6 abi 8 months die we pụta. And still ochokwa ko engage onwe ya on something like that. And some of you are taking me serious. Eji me ya arrest, eji buri ya, eji me ya konye buje. Sometimes most of you on social media, boy any ki take serious, use your common sense. We have about common sense. Though according to this story, as is that common sense is very, very common, but it's very, very hard to apply. When we saw certain things say, hey, well, child, game make any sense to you? You know? For I say, according to some comment now, for that an airport, or in a airport. A buru here at the airport, or buru go bia, ni maybe one nama or somewhere na go on a compound hotel. I just made the thing about because you made video, made channel video, fine. For people on social media, no, but that's why they are deceiving many of you with unnecessary things. As far as I'm concerned, who make an arrest, all those things will arrange. Now me they talk am because I watch go video, I watch. It's not even making any sense to me. And they put go call in them may put as if no dear had it. You know? So the people they behind that particular whatever arranged stage video is Ken, Jpac and Andutia. Or how are they behind it? Take it or leave it. And it's high time has stop all this rubbish. Because na obia deka India and India on a kind of misunderstanding. People like them behave do all those things. You could go more man on content yana bu obuno blogger blogging kitchen dem me blogging he post way news post way important things all the more talent in terms of creating real skit like all those people not see Lagos some not Benin enapu after they bara cause trouble or you ya dey dey skit here na eme. It's high time we stop all this rubbish. And a content. Most of you don't even know what is real content. Most of you have been mistaken skit making, blogging, and all this nonsense you name it. You know? So what am I trying to say? Oh, when you wanna make an arrest, all those things will arrange. Use your common sense to watch that video. You watch I see no make sense to you. That means as a producer in Nollywood, I can do better. I bought him a licensed director, but as we not going to the game for a long time, I can direct more than that. I want to direct under DGN, but I can direct better more than that. I remember sometimes so a video put out for Tahania like this. And say, nah, those ones are not making any sense. You know? They should go and look at arrest of Matthias and see how Nigeria police do their own arrest. My brother. It's not making any sense to me. Oh, the Nigeria police be arrested. Are they making home as he group? And then can I let you? Oh God, what have I done? Like seriously. You will phone the video Nigerian police. What do you have around a video? Nothing. Only police buy what have a raw job. If only the police buy, have a raw job for Hana camera. I'm gonna hack out the phone. Like, how guys going to get on video me? Don't do this. I had no one. Last year, when a video, name everything. What do you have to go to your name the video? Nothing. Then when a video when on to say no actually he make the public a man actually be making an arrest. Omo gi di chok is a the police. At least ka afugo di hu phone as evidence aga ejidaka. Omo ki si sete go da aso ha. Ka amagodu maybe division hasi. The buy you there. Keep common sense who did it. Let's say only a video is filming to protect the interest of Ken, so that the public will know what is going on, right? Like the person filming is trying to protect the interest of Ken, Palace of Justice, to let the whole world know what is going on. Maybe whatever they call it, intimidation or whatever. And the person failed to capture the faces of those police officers that came for that job. Or they say, when they made the video, they can identity in the police. The cameraman shout cut at the end. Hey, Chibuzo, Igbo channels. This thing is not making any sense. From people but I'm online for people who post to see all those things. Making arrest this one that. Watch the video see oputa and they buy no for the anime brain. Like, does it mean that smoke and rock sinoburo on the buy appetizing and keep as well? You know? Abia kamuru Ken. You know a film, you know a video, so that he create awareness. People man, okay, this guy just go battle, habia budia for no this, you know. He met the whole faces of the police bureau the job. You know, so who is so he went the whole their this thing. At least most of them, their division number, everything now their vest. And the police officer, a typical Nigerian police, camera na told you, oh go you see, don't film me. Or come out that phone. Oye the phone, and they so na cover everything. Emeta ana adoya na eme ya ka egwu ọnwa ana adoya na ade enta come here adoya tina moto zoom off most of you will know. Like seriously. That, like for real. What you go do? This thing now. No police GK na aka mana ana capture ya. iwatchgodo this one na ị ga-ama na onye polisi ji the guy aka mana a na-capture ya. And if godo ka Ken si egosi unu handcuff, ihe ama na the police dị aware na a na-capture ha na a na-evideo ha. None of them said don't film me. Their phone akwa kwara onwe Google. Ama m kire melo battery. You watch this video clearly now. Okay, ị ga-ama na the police officer Jpac na position ya na afụ this camera. Igbo Channels TV or DOP KO. At least go on ogi ya kamaru ka may understand the in terms of camera angle. Every camera angle si abia in film production, like covering a scene. At least you on this life. Igama, what I mean by camera angle. You know now DOP or an actor, professional, what I mean by camera angle. You know how to face camera, not to back off the camera, like how to position. So you watch this thing, this police officer is aware. There is no way this police officer have her camera. There is no way this police officer have her camera for any choice photo or the possible. Nka wone mana bata n'ime moto we se nka. Nigeria police bịara ịrụ ọjọbọ ya hapụ gị ka ị bata n'ime moto. Say this kind of picture. N'ọrụ ọjọbọ ha bịara ịrụ. And all these things on this video, none of the police say, no, I hope you are not snapping me. Don't snap me. Remove that camera. Remove that phone. Some of you should get accountable. Igbo Channels, this whole thing is not making any sense to me. The main people or the one of the reasons in the this life is one utobo ana akpo Jpac mapụtara ozugbo si mana o mekata ma mazi mi hoso kosi kpọrọ ndị ụka kpọ ya ozugbo. Eduwazie m ka o si maro no ndị ụka meruke na arrest. What exactly is he trying to put out there? Like Kendi Kokonyo na-achọ iji indirect way setikwa for unnecessary dragging. Ka Jpac si arrive on non-dioka meruken arrest. And the people who did me post in that share they way arrest this or that. They buy the Igbo buy Ndị Igbo buy. Erigo many of you. I am people like Matthias, they are cherry brain, many of you. Oh, this thing. The people like Matthias, they are cherry the brain of gullible ones like you. And you guys are believing. Oh, just a chaibo koericha, unu jekuya, or root 2 cup of rice, kerun. Si no, ndị pastor na ndị ozioma na ndị ụka wihe meru Nigeria se whole adịghị mma. Nigeria ọ bụ onye na-akpọ isi na na-achị. Ọ sị nọ ndị ụka na mere ihe obodo adịghị mma. Nigeria si ekretiri ya. Onwebeghị onye pastor che Nigeria onye ụka emere ihe. Ọkwa ofu ndị a na-akpụ isi a na ihe ji everything na-apị na control. Ọbịa manipulate you n'aka unu ego na-agba na-arụpụ ụnụ. Furu ndị Igbo bai. Jesu mere unu ebere. Ka nje na-akpụkwa ụra chi ejigokwa ebe a. Sị m ka m mechara ka vidiyo ka m si ṅụsịa kọfị were ekwezi atụ nje na-akpọrọ onwe m ụra. Bọtụrụ nwa na-ezuzu ihe on social media. Gwa woje eti ofu ibudia na mari ne zuzu without using your common sense. Common sense. We analyze that particular thing. The sick. Let me stop here. Call the one.